Hello viewers, today we are going to look at how to remove the background in any picture or image. Most times we get to places and in agency they will need our passport picture to place on a document for us, and we may not be having someone else in a jiffy at the moment. So what I'm about to introduce to you is how to remove the background of any of your images which could be used in place of the passport picture. So let's assume you do not have a passport picture with you at that moment. You can take a picture with your phone and then remove the background to the required background, which is white. So that is to say, you have an image of yourself already on your phone, but then the background of that picture isn't white. So this I'm about to show you will help you to remove the background of your image and make it white to the requirements of the passport picture. So then let's proceed. So the name of this website we are going to use today is called remove.bg. So let's proceed to type that name into our search engine to look at how the interface of the website looks like. Alright, so this is the interface of the remove.bg website. So what we have to do next is to scroll down, and then in here we have upload image. So click on it to enable us to upload the image we would like to remove the background and then change it to white. So I'll click on the upload image, and this sends me into my explorer. So in my explorer, or in this menu, I have an image downloaded from Pexels which I will be using for this experiment. So let me move to my downloads, and in my downloads I click on the image or the picture I'm using. Alright, so this is the original image I downloaded, and I would like to remove the background of this image and make it white. So then I will click on the remove background tab here, and this is what we'll be having. Next, the current background I'm seeing in the remove background tab isn't what I want. What I want is a white background. So I come into this tab here indicating edit and click inside it. So after clicking inside it, then we move on to this side which is indicating color. So we click on the color. Then amongst all of this, realize that there is a white background which the image is having in here. So we select that, then realize that what we have over here is having a white background which could be used in place of a passport. Then we move ahead to download it if this is what we want. So click on download. That is download image. So after downloading, we move into our downloads and go and see how our image looks like. So we double tap on it. and this is what we are having. Let's look at the original image. This is the original image. So we have this as the original image, which cannot be used as an image for a passport photograph. So after changing it, we are having this, which can be used as a passport photograph. Alright, so this brings us to the end of today's video.